everyone and welcome back to another video. So I did film 2 videos today, so same shirt and yon. Kasi I feel productive. Wow, okay, productive. So for today's video, I will be showing you my own version of cheesy garlic bread. And yes, so what I have here is a sausage bun. Before, yung ginamit ko is a burger bun, and ito naman yung binili. So, kahit anong bread na meron kayo, pwede nyo gamitin. And for the garlic bread. And then, another ingredient that we need is Masarap na cheese. Pwede din. You can opt out for this one if you don't want cheese. Just the basic garlic bread lang. And of course, a butter. And, oh yeah, before I forgot, the garlic itself, of course. So, isang bun lang na garlic bread, yung limuon. Isang bun lang. So, bun lang na garlic. Isa lang ito. And, I'm gonna slice this first. So, ganito lang pag-slice. Slant lang siya. Slice ako nito. Minced. Sorry sa background noise. And eto, butter. And since the butter is hindi pa siya melt in room temperature. Hindi pa siya na-melt. Ganito lang. Depende sa inyo kung gaano ka rami butter gusto nyo ilagay. Ito, butter. And then, I'm gonna put the garlic over here. Since hindi pa melted yung butter, lagay ko muna siya sa dito sa oven. And gusto ko siya melt agad kasi gagamitin while waiting. So, 1 minute. I just have to wait for 1 minute. And ready ko na yung olive oil. Olive oil. TikTok na TikTok. So, it's done. So, na-melt na siya. So, all you have to do is mix lang yung butter at saka yung garlic. And if you think kulang to, you can add na butter. But for me, enough na to kasi hindi naman masyadong marami yung bread na gagawin natin. And then, put some, lagyan natin na very, very, lang, tiny bit na. Parang splash lang. Splashing. And then, of course, I'm gonna spread. Lagyan natin parang sandwich spread lang. For the cheese, and if hindi kayo masyadong ma-cheese, you can opt out for the cheese and ito lang yung if you have Parmesan at home, Parmesan and Parsely, pwede siya i-add. Pwede nyo siyang i-add yung Parmesan at saka Parsely para mas masarap. And I just remembered, merong Parsely para dito sa Parsely? Parmesan. Masarap din to pag may Parsely. You can add Parsely if you want. I'm gonna sprinkle some of this one. Pero as what I've said, if hindi kayo cheese lover, pwede naman yung na lang, na garlic bread. Yung butter, garlic, olive oil, and then Parsely, or if walang Parsely, yun na lang, yung pinaka-basic na garlic bread. So, this is ready. We have here a toaster. So, i-heat ko lang ng mga ilang minutes bago ko ilagay. So you can use any bread that you have at home. If sliced bread, pwede rin gawin nyo. Slice na lang by triangle yung sliced bread or yung one whole. It's heated. So I'm gonna put this on the toast ko lang siya for around 3 minutes and gusto ko kasi yung parang golden brown sa edges kasi crunchy siya. Kasi itong sausage bun, soft kasi siya and you can use a French bread. Nag-off na yung timer na. So, let's check if golden brown na ba siya. Check natin. And meron pang hindi. So, gonna add ako ng ilang minutes. Around 3 minutes. Ayun. See? Soft pa rin siya. See? Soft pa rin siya kasi bun yung gamit natin. Soft pa rin siya. So, kaya gusto ko yung ganito. Brown sa edge. Kasi crispy. Yay! This is our garlic bread. So, let's try this, crunchy. Itong golden brown. Diba? Diba? Crunchy siya. So, you can make this one super simple, super easy to make. And, pwede siya pa merienda, of course. And you can pair this to your favorite pasta. And so, that's it for today's video. And I hope if you learned something out from this video, or you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you on my next one. Bye! Leave love, leave a comment. Yung butter. So, since hindi pa thumbnail.